monkey robot. You can do robot walk, just like this. You can also detach its body parts.
What? Oh no!
And this is its main body. It is time to assemble it back together. We attach the hands first. Don't forget the jetpack. And also its front armor. And lastly, its both legs. Ta-da! Now it is done. You can play with it as you like. Let me show you how to do the robot walk. And now, ready to take off.